I'm Charlie from Sanu Motors. Today I got Mazda CX-5. I done the service and I'm going to show you how to reset oil service light of this car or service warning message. First thing, need to go inside the car. I'm going to start the car. You can see as it is, there is a spanner light, service past due, 0 days 0 mileage. I'm going to show you how to reset this one. First of all, make sure all electrical switch off the car, otherwise your battery will going to drain. Radio also off. Switch off the car and don't going to press any pedals. I'm going to switch it off and press twice. 1, 2. Then once you press twice, this mode coming ignition on. After that, we need to go to the home, press this one. Then after that, turn this knob and go to the applications. But some people go into the settings, you can't find in settings, but you need to find out. Go to the application, press this button, that's mean enter. Then after that, fuel economy, vehicle status. I'm going to the vehicle status, warning guides. Next one, maintains. I'm going to press this one. If you press the maintains, you can see schedule 0 days 0 miles. I'm going to scroll down to the oil change, press enter. Setting intervals, press enter. Right, then again going to scroll down and reset. Are you sure you want to reset oil change? Reset, yes. Once I go to that one, you can see mileage 6,250. Right, I'm going to reset again. Reset. Yeah, it won't allow to go more than that one. Then I'm going back. Press enter. Right, now it's 6,250. And after that, I'm going to the top one, schedule, and press enter. Then you have to go bottom and press reset. I'm going to reset. Now it's coming to the 12,500 miles and 12 months. Then again come out from there, press enter. Right, you can see 12 months and 12,500 mileage. And again exit from there. Right, exit from this menu, exit. Again exit from this menu, go there, arrow, press enter. Right, you exit and you came to the main menu. Then after that, switch off the car and press brake pedal, and I'm going to start the car. Now I'll start the car. You can see as it is, maintain light disappeared. That's mean we done another success job. Thanks for watching. I'm Charlie from Sanu Motors. If you have any question, comments, please mention below. I'll come back to you as soon as possible. Also, don't forget to subscribe us and press bell icon, then you can get our new videos. Thank you. See you with another video.